Hello students. So today we will continue some practice 4B. Question number 7th C. Question number 7th C. In the last class we have solved till question number 7th A and B. So today we will solve question number 7 C. See what is this question? 5 to the power 0 plus 4 to the power 0. 5 to the power 0 plus 4 to the power 0 plus 3 to the power 0. Multiply, this dot means multiply 3 to the power 4. This we have to solve. So this is the zero law of exponent. Any base having power 0, the value is 1. What? Any base having power 0, value is 1. Because since we have the formula, since a to the power 0, that is a is any base and 0 is the index, a to the power 0 value is 1. So therefore here the base is 5 and the power is 0, so this value will be 1. 4 to the power 0 value will be 1. 3 to the power 0 value will be 1. Multiply, this dot means multiply, and 3 to the power 4 value will be what? That multiply this 3 itself 4 times. So when you multiply the 3 itself 4 times, you are going to get the value 81. See how? 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27, and 27 3s are 81. 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27, 27 3s are 81. Now here in the bracket, first we solve the parenthesis bracket, because bracket has the highest priority according to the BODMAS rule. First we solve this bracket. So 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 1 3. So what we get the value inside the bracket? 3. So we have added all the terms inside the bracket. Now the bracket will be removed. So if we perform the given arithmetic operation in the bracket, so bracket can be removed. So I have added all the terms inside the bracket. Now the bracket is removed. 3 multiply, and here what we got, that is 3. When you multiply 4 times, you will get 81. So this 7C is to simplify the following. So you can write the answer, express the answer in the exponent also, and the value what you got, if you multiply 3 ones are 3 and 3 eights are 24. So the value we are going to get 243. 7th C, we have got the answer. This is 243. So answers can also be expressed in the form of exponent also. So that is, yes. Now question number 8. So we have got this 7th C answer 243. Question number 8. The value is given if 3m square divided by 3m whole square. 3m square divided by 3m whole square and whole to the power m, and whole to the power m equals to 1 by 81. This is an equation. Then find the value of m. Here in this question we have to find the value of m. In this question to find the value of this index m or this variable m. Now see how we solve this. Here first we solve the bracket. Inside the bracket, see what we have, 3m square divided by, so what you are going to get the value here, 3m square divided, and here you got the value 3 square 9, because this square is to the this power 2 is to both the bases. Here in this parenthesis you can see there is two different base, one is 3 and the other is m. So this power is 2 for both. So what we write here, 3 square, that is 3 square is 9 and m square. That we can do it. Or we can also write this as, on the place of this 9 also we can write 3 square. 3 square multiply m square whole to the power m equals to 1 by 81. So 81 also you can express in the form of 3's. So when you find the prime factor of 81, so what you find, that 81 is the value of the 3 to the power 4. That also you can write. Now next, here you can see bases are same, 3 divided and this 3 square, bases same and they are divided with each other. So what we can do, just we can subtract it. Now next, here this we can do like that, 3, take the base common and subtract the power. The power of this base 3 is 1 and the power of this base 3 is 2. So what you can write, 1 minus 2. Next time you can write, you take the base common m and subtract the power of m, that is 2 minus 2. Okay, here I have taken this one base, bases are same and both are divided with each other, so we subtract the power, 2 minus 2, and here whole to the power m. Here what you can write, here it can be written as 1 by 3 whole to the power 4, because the value of 1 to the power 4 is also 1, so we can write this 1 by 3 to the power 4. Now in the next line, 3 to the power minus 1 multiply m to the power 0. What we got? M to the power 0 and whole to the power m equals to this. If you make the base reciprocal, so the power will be negative, so do it. So we are going to make the base reciprocal. So what we write, 3 to the power minus 4. So if you do the reciprocal of the base, so the sign of the index will be changed. So it is positive, now it will become negative. If it is negative, then it will become positive. So on changing the base, whenever you change the base means whenever we do the reciprocal of the base, so the sign of the index will be changed. Now from positive it will become negative. Now in the next line, what you get, 3 to the power minus m into m to the power 0 value is 1. So we got here 3 to the power minus 1 into 1 and whole to the power m equals to 3 to the power minus 4. Okay, now here we got the value 3 to the power minus 1 into 1. If you multiply, you get the 3 to the power minus 1 only, and to the power m equals to 3 to the power minus 4. Now apply the power law. Here this base is also exponent, so the power index is raised over the index. So what we apply? Power law. Take the base common and multiply the power, that is minus 1 into m equals to 3 to the power minus 4. Here we have used the power law, means since if any base having power m and another power n is also raised over the same base, so this means take the base common and multiply the power, that is m into n. This formula we will use here. This is the power law of the exponent. Now here we got the value 3 to the power minus m. Minus 1 into m means minus m equals to 3 to the power minus 4. Now we compare the exponents. So see what we got on comparing. So on comparison, what we got? The bases are same. Since it is an equation, the base is same, so its power should also be same. This means minus m is equals to minus 4. This means the index of the left hand side should be equal to the index of the right hand side, because it is an equation. So when the base is same, then its power should be same, then only we will get the equal value, otherwise we will get the different value. For example, you can understand if on the left hand side is also the base 2, on the right hand side is also the base 2. What if on the left hand side you will raise the power 2 and on the right hand side you will raise the power 3, so this value will not be equal because 2 to the power 2 value is 4 and 2 to the power 3 value is 8. So this is only equal in one case only, when the base and index both is same, then only the equation should be equal. See here, both the base same and both the power same, then only the value is equal. If the base is same and power are different, so value should not be equal. So that's why here we are doing the comparison since it is an equation. So and left hand side exponent and right hand side exponents bases are same, so it must be both the exponents index should also be same. So this implies that on comparison, this implies that minus m equals to minus 4. Now you multiply both sides by minus, so minus will be cancelled, it will become positive. So what you got, the value of m is equals to 4. The value of m equals to 4. So which option? Option D. Option D is matching. Option D is the correct answer. Okay. So by pausing the video, you can note down the solution, and after that we will start the new exercise, self practice 4C, that is the scientific notation. Scientific notation that we will do. Okay, that how we express the number in the standard form. Self practice 4C. Now we will continue self practice 4C, that is the scientific notation and the standard form. Okay, that is the scientific notation. Scientific notation means here we used to express the number in the form of the exponents. Suppose any number is written like 3 point, like that is 300.0123. So expressing the scientific notation means here that the decimal, before the decimal there should be 1 digit, but here the before decimal there is 1 to 3 digit, and the decimal values should be expressed in the form of the exponents. See how we do it. So here we have to shift this decimal 2 place left. So how we'll do it? We can write this number as 3 point. We have set the decimal 2 place left, 3.000123 multiply 10 to the power. What we have done? I have set the decimal 2 place left. So here what I have to do? I have to raise the power 2. Because 2 place I have set the decimal left, so 10 to the power 2 means if I multiply this 10 to the power 2 with this number, again the decimal will shift 2 place right. So this number can be expressed in the scientific notation like this. So in the scientific notation, in the standard form, we express the number like in this form. So in short also we can write this number as 3.0 into 10 to the power 2. In that also we can write. Okay. So now we move to the exercise question in the next class. So this is all for today. In the next class we will start solving the exercise question of self practice 4C. Thank you for your kind attention.